Father.
Daughter.
Oh, hello, you're on speaker with Mac and Brito.
And the YouTube.
And our YouTube.
Just like to say hello to everyone.
Hello. Hello, David.
And the tube people.
Can they hear us? Can they hear us?
They can hear us. Can they hear us? The Camels Hump is a 1.1 kilometre summit walk located near Mount Macedon in Victoria. It's a 500 metre ascent, but the view at the top is well worth it and it is dog friendly. Hanging Rock is a 105 metre summit walk that gives you a bird's eye view of the surrounding farmland and Macedon ranges. It does cost $10 to enter the park where the walk begins, but there are toilets and a cafe surrounded by a large picnic ground. Hanging Rock was formed by a volcanic eruption millions of years ago. This location was made famous by the novel and movie Picnic at Hanging Rock, so it can get quite busy. If you're looking for a quieter walk with an equally great view, I would recommend the Camels Hump. We have arrived in Mount Camel. We are staying in an Airbnb. It's called Olive Grove, and we have just gotten to the house and it's really cute. It's this cute blue house with a really beautiful view out the front. They've got their own vineyard and a little dam up the front, and there's heaps of little goats and sheep. It's really nice. How do we like Olive Grove?
I don't know if I do.
Hello? How'd the journey treat you?
Good.
Oh. Mac?
Just setting up for the night because he's in my bedroom.
Yeah, that's good. And then it'll pop. The spray station's over here, fellas. Don't spray near the food, kids. Don't spray near the food.
So we have just gotten up. Britt is having some toast over there. And we're just getting ready to go to Lake Eppalock for the day to have a bit of a swim and check out the lake. We've got some flotation devices. I got myself a raft. Britt got herself a super duper river twister. Mac got a similar river twister with a backrest, and May has a nice little is it a watermelon? A little watermelon blow up thing. So we'll see how they go down at the lake, and then at 4 o'clock we have a winery tasting, which will be cool.
Okay. Welcome. Cheers.
Good morning.
We've arrived. What is that light that has its own light? Sorry, everybody. Yeah. Just to borrow? Just spit that back in? Yeah. That's pretty cool.
We did a free wine tasting at Sanguine Estate, which was 5 minutes from where we stayed. The region specialises in Shiraz, so would highly recommend adding this to your list if you enjoy a red and are in the area. This trip really reminded me of just how lucky I am to be able to go away for a couple of nights to a location that's not too far from home and be able to appreciate the little things like wildlife, vast land, incredible sunsets and looking at the stars at night. It also reminded me of how lucky I am to have such incredible friends.